So welcome to the parts bus. I'm a firm believer that everyone should have a parts bus. That's where all the old cases, seats, 912, 356, probably 912, heat exchangers, doors, hoods, everything. The sad thing about this bus is it's actually more solid than a lot of stuff I see for sale on Marketplace. It's a 75, just a standard bus. But as I mentioned in the short, I've decided to execute a Marvel Mystery Oil challenge on this old boat anchor of a 36 horse. You zoom in on the number there for you. It's a early 61, I believe. I could be wrong. I haven't looked it up in years. It was sitting outside. That is nice and plugged. That's good. But it's locked up hard. So we're going to pull the plugs, see what we can find out. Channing, my helper, is helping me pull the plugs. That's what you do when you're 10. Okay, so Channing got the plugs pulled out for me. They're in position. That one wasn't too bad. That does not bode well for us. That one a little corroded. That one good to go. Note there's no dipstick in it, so that also doesn't bode well for us, but we're going to give it a shot anyway. Alright, so we're also going to pop these valve covers. Who knows how long it's been since these things have been off. Probably, I'm going to guess, probably 20 years. So, who knows? Oh, didn't pop that down far enough. There we go. All right. Rockers don't look too bad. This thing might be salvageable. Who knows? Definitely doesn't look like it's flooded up that high. We're going to give the other side a check. Probably should have used the tripod, but it's super windy today. All right, at least there is oil coming out of here. Let me take you around where you can see. At least there's oil coming out of here. Again, valves don't look too terribly bad. I am just noting, I brought a 36 millimeter out with me. I'm just noting that there's no flywheel, no gland. I've got a gland nut around here somewhere. You know what I do have? A dipstick. I don't know if 36 horse dipsticks are longer, but there's definitely nothing coming up on this one. So we'll have to see. All right, it really bugs me that it's so windy, and you guys are probably gonna not like the audio, but I decided I can't get it to turn. I can't get the crank pulley to move a little bit, but I decided to go ahead and pull the fan shroud off. Pretty gummed up down in here, you know, it's been packed full of stuff for a lot of years, but all in all, this thing looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the intake manifold, and so I can pull these tins, so it'll be a lot easier to put the Marvel Mystery Oil in. Okay, so we got the tins off, and those spark plug holes are what we're going to put the Marvel Mystery Oil down. So we're going to use a big funnel. Again, because of the wind, I'm not going to be able to shoot video too well while I do it. All right, so the Marvel Mystery Oil challenge is set. It is locked up tight as drum. And we're gonna give it a week or so, come back out, try it. Probably ran out of Marvel. Probably get some more, pour down in there. If I can't break it loose at that point, I'll pull the heads off and see what we're dealing with. Challenge has begun. Some of you with a keen eye probably noted these industrial hubcaps. They're pretty sick. Don't even remember where they came from. They'll go on a bus someday.